Want to create a Threads account but don't know how to? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Threads account in a simpler way. So first, what you have to do is open your Threads. And to use Threads, you must compulsorily have an Instagram account. So if you don't, first create an Instagram account. So after creating Instagram account, select your Instagram account and simply proceed with it. It's that easy to use Threads. Now you can post your thinkings, thoughts, or anything that you like on Threads. It's that easy. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for further more how-to videos. Thank you.